we're doing a back patio, and you know, because of the whole busy season here and there, you know, sorry you're gonna get a chance to watch me prep the area. So what we did for the back patio, we dug down 9 inches deep, and we would have already compact the area, and we put the black fabric down, and we already level. We did this like maybe 2 days ago, but unfortunately due to the demand of landscaping right now in Ontario, we couldn't get the stones that the customers needed. So we just got the stone. Today we're going to install the Opal Blend Beacon Hill Smooth pavers. So the area is already prepped. We already have everything going. So these are just HPB that we're going to use to level the entire area all over again before we install our pavers. Right here we have our parametric sand. This is for later on down. That's for later on down. That's what we're going to use to seal our pavers and get it all right. So please stay tuned while we show you once again our project 25 for the season. Stay tuned.
See, Randy, we finished digging around the area because this dirt, there is a stone under it, bro. Let's see, like we have to level it up, bro, you know. We dig it, all of it, we take the grass. Now we're trying to level up. And see Baba what he did there. We clean it and we put it here for the guy. And Baba, he put this here, you know, and he put some screws. We fill it with screws, you know what I mean? And the job almost, yeah, man, yeah, show you, man, you know. Now we gotta go all the way down to make the level all of it proper.
Okay guys, so you can see we will have almost completed the project. Don't mind the surface, it's just the cutting of the stones that causing the surface to be like this. So what we're doing, we're just completing the key right now. We're completing the key right now. If you look keenly, what we have to do, we complete the key right around with the black border. come right around, give a nice cut there. The AC unit, we lift up the and we install all the pavers on beneath it. So that's how it is. So right now we're just closing off. We're just closing off the area right now, and basically that's what we're doing. Okay, level, my level. Perfect. Okay guys, so that's where we're at right now. So as you can see, we 95% completed, and that's what we're doing. So hope you guys enjoyed the video so far. Our back patio is almost finished, and we're just wrapping up. It's a little chilly today in Ontario, Toronto to be exact. So we're just wrapping up. Yesterday was a really bad day, so we paused, and we're back today to wrap up this project. So that's what we're doing right now, guys. So stay tuned. Peace. Okay guys, so we will have completed the project, but what we're doing right now is very important. We're sealing the creases of the paver. Okay, so it's quite simple. Sealing the pieces of the paver. The purpose for this is to ensure that everything stays intact. Very, very important. Okay. See? So whenever there is snow, rain, you know, after a period of time, your pavers don't go down like that, you know, so everything stays intact. So this is one of the most important part of the job. You understand? So stay tuned, guys. Bye. Okay guys, so we would have wrapped up the project, and customers, they're happy, and once they're happy, I am happy. So you can see we already sealed the area, and we would have wet it, damped it with some water, and just allow it to dry. And this is a good backyard patio for the summer. Okay, so thank you once again for the support you have given the channel. Hit the like, the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. See you on our next project. Okay? Salute.